This lesson is going to be a short one, but a sweet one. One of the big problems when people sign up for Make and they start using it is that you can do so much with it that it's kind of the analysis paralysis problem. It's like, uh-oh, look at all these modules. Now I'm brain dead on what exactly I want to do here. Well, that's where templates are really awesome. Once you sign into Make, over on your side menu, you'll have a link to templates, and go ahead and click on it, and you will see Make comes preloaded with no shortage of different process templates that will give you an idea of some things that you might be able to do. So if you want to look for something, you can search for a template. Let's search for automations related to Twitter. When you select your template in Make, it's going to immediately launch into a guided setup. What the guided setup does is it shows you the map, it kind of animates it and shows you the workflow as each part of the workflow goes through the process tree, and then it forces you to set up each module before you save. If you don't want to do that and you don't want to be bothered by that, you can click Create New Scenario from Template, and that will save and automatically load your scenario ready for you to edit. Templates are a great way to save time. So if there's something that you can envision, maybe a process that you want to do a search for it first, see if somebody has already built a very similar template, and then get started from there. What is the difference between a template and a blueprint? Short answer, basically nothing. Long answer, almost everything. Okay, I didn't mean to confuse you right there, but to get into the specifics, a template exists within the Make software. So if you go to templates, this is where you find all the templates, and they tend to be kind of like skeletal examples of the workflows that you can create, but they are not always configured completely. A blueprint is a JSON version of a Make scenario that has been exported out of Make, usually by somebody who wants to either make them downloadable or wants to sell them, both of which I'm doing right now. Really exciting that anything that you build here you can also export and sell as a blueprint. And a blueprint, simply stated, is a more complete configuration of the scenario. They have configured it and done all those extra steps to turn that skeleton into a living animal. So you've created the world's coolest scenario and now you want to share it with the world or sell it. How are you going to do it? You're going to export it. Open up the scenario that you want to export, and smack dab in the middle of the bottom menu we have the More option, the 3 dots. Click on that and you will get the option to export your blueprint. Give it a title. Mine is the Funny T-Shirt Generator. And I'm going to save that to my desktop. And as you can see, it put funnytshirt.generator.json on my desktop. If you want to import a JSON file, you repeat the exact same steps. Someone would open their Make account, create a new scenario, go to More, import blueprint, and then you select the file that you have downloaded. Easy peasy.